one more problem. The previous video I had given an answer for last digit of 6 power 100. Now it's time for the last digit of 2 power 100. I already told in the previous video. I will explain not only the power of 6 power 100, I will also explain the remaining powers of single digits. Suppose 1 power 100 I need to explain, but that doesn't matter. 1 power 100 is always the last digit is 1. So I am explaining now 2 power 100. Then later I will explain 3 power 100, 4 power 100, 5 power 100, 6 power 100 I already explained, 7 power 100 and 8 power 100 and 9 power 100. These are single digits, and I will explain the 2 digits, 3 digit number also then later. So not in one video, I will make a separate videos to explain all this. Keep in mind. Now it's time for to do 2 power 100, the last digit of 2 power 100. They may give this question instead of 6 power 100 in our examination for 1 mark or 2 marks. So concentrate on this. Not like a previous 6 power 100 problem. That 6 power 100 is very simple. Always the power of 6, always you will get 6, but not for 2. So let it be in a trial and error method. So first of all you are going to take 2 power 1, is nothing but 2. Then 2 power 2, the value of 2 power 2, 2 into 2, the value is 4. Identify the last digit. Now 2 power 3, so 2 into 2 into 2, that only one digit you will get, that is 8. Now 2 power 4, the value of 2 power 4 is equal to 16, the last digit is 6. Now 2 power 5, you will get 32, the last digit is 2. So 2 power 5 is nothing but 2 5 times, 2 multiply 5 times. So you will get a 32, the last digit is 2. So 2 power 6, so 2 6 times, multiply 2 6 times, you will get a 64. Now once you observe, that's enough. Once you observe the last digit of these powers, 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, you will get a next 8, then again you will get a 6. So when you observe these, we can easily observe one thing. There is a only 4 digits. There are only 4 digits are continuously repeating. What are the 4 digits are continuously repeating? 2, 4, 8, 6. Again 2, 4, 8, 6. Again 2, 4, 8, 6. So there are 4 digits are continuously repeating in the powers of 2. So there is the order. So we'll try to find out 2 power 100 also with help of these. So this is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 power 12. So for powers of 2, we have a one cyclic order, that is 4. We can call as a cyclic order. But for 6, there is a no cyclic order. It's itself one only the cyclic order for 6. Like that for 2, not only 2, for 3, for 4 also there is a cyclic order. We just identify the cyclic order. So for 2 power 100, the cyclic order is 4. With help of that, and let me explain one example. We have already discussed 2 power 10 answer is 1024. The last digit is 4. So once you observe the power is 10. So just now we got the cyclic order is 4. So just to divide this 10 with 4, identify what is the remainder. Remainder, I am saying the remainder. So the remainder is 2. So with help of remainder 2, then we will find out on a table the cyclic order. If it remainder is 2, then the last digit is 4. So there is a one table I am going to give you to identify easily what is the last digit and with help of the power. So this is a very very important table to you. Remainder and last digit. So remainder when the remainder when divisible by 4. When divisible by 4. So when you divisible by 4, the particular power, you will get we already know that the Euclid division lemma. When a number divisible by 4, there are how many remainders you may get? 0, 1 remainder. You will get 1 also. you will get the remainder 2 and also you will get the remainder 4. So a number which is divisible by 4, you may get 4 remainders, 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you divisible by 2, the remainders you may get 2 remainders. So these are the remainders when the number divisible by 4. Just now we thinking the remainder is 2, so you will get what are the cyclic order of 2? 2, 4, 8, 6. This is the order. So this is belongs to when remainder is 1. So when the remainder is 1, you will get 2 is the remainder. When remainder 2, you will get 4 is the last digit. When remainder 3, you will get the 8 is the last digit. When remainder 0, not 4, you will get 6 is the last digit. This is a very important order to identify the last digit of 2 power 100. Now find out 2 power 100 now. So what is the power here? Here the power is 100. So divide the power 100 with 4. You will get a what is the remainder once you observe. So you are getting an answer remainder 0. So remainder you got 0. So if remainder is 0, what is happened? The last digit is 6. So therefore the last digit of 2 power 100 is 6. See that why it is 6? Because the remainder is 0. When you observe the table, if the remainder is 0, the last digit is 6. Suppose if you want to find out, I told already, not only the power 100, 2022. So what is the last digit of 2022? 2 power. So divide 2022 with 4 table. So 4 5s are 20. So what is the remainder here? 2 is the remainder. So if it is 2 is the remainder, what is the last digit? 4. So the last digit of 2 power 2022 is, what is the remainder? 2. When its remainder is 2, the last digit is 4. That's it. Simple. You can find any power with the help of this table.